Hello everyone, I am Kritika Paliwal and I am back with another lecture of English grammar. We are learning prepositions, right? In the previous lectures, we had learned some prepositions that are in, on, at, near, under and beside. Alright? I hope you have understood the uses of those prepositions. We haven't gone much deeper. Alright, we are just understanding the basic uses, basic meanings of those prepositions. Today also we will learn 4 new prepositions that are must for you regarding the class 2 syllabus. Alright, so let's get started. Today we will be learning 4 prepositions which are as follows: with, of, between and to. All these are also prepositions. So one by one we will look up the use of all the 4 prepositions. Okay. So with, of, between and to. Let's get started with. Okay. So the first preposition that we are going to learn today is with. With. If we look up the exact Hindi meaning of with means साथ में. Alright. So with is used in the company or presence of something or somebody. In the company, not any company, factory type, nothing. Okay, company means किसी का साथ. So, in the company or presence of something or somebody, with is used in the company of something or somebody. Alright, here company word means किसी का साथ. Alright, so let's see how. For example, she lives with her parents. वह अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहती है. Alright? She lives with her parents. In whose company she is living? In whose company she is living? She is living with her parents. So with is used here to show that this girl, alright, is living with her parents. She is living in the company of her parents. Company means कोई company that type नहीं, which you are thinking. Company means साथ में. Alright. So she is living with her parents. Another example. I am sitting with my friend. My friend, मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बैठा हूँ. Alright, किसके साथ में? The relation of I with the friend according to the position is shown by this word with. Alright, so with बता रहा है कि I and the friend are related, like they are accompanying each other. Okay, so I am sitting with my friend. मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बैठा हूँ. जब भी आपको बताना है कि आपके साथ में और क्या चीज़ है या और कौन सा पर्सन है, so you can use the word with. Okay, I have come to the with my mother. I have come to the market with my mother. मैं अपनी मम्मी के साथ, अपनी मदर के साथ मार्केट आया हूँ या आई हूँ. Alright? Then I'm going for a vacation with my parents. I'm going for a vacation with my parents. मैं एक वेकेशन पर अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ जा रहा हूँ या जा रही हूँ. Alright? So this is how it is used. It is used to show the company or the presence of something or somebody with anything. For example, let's see some more examples. Rohan goes to school with Rahul. Rohan goes to school with Rahul. Rohan किसके साथ स्कूल जा रहा है? राहुल के साथ. So the relation of Rahul and Rohan is they go school together, right? So Rohan goes to school with Rahul. In whose company Rohan is going to school? Rohan is going to school with Rahul. Alright? In whose presence? All through that the way. Who's there with Rohan? Rahul is there. Alright? So, with is used to show the presence of something or somebody. When I give you worksheet, these prepositions will get slightly more clear to you. Now let's come on to another preposition, that is another use of this preposition. See, in the company or presence of something or somebody is one use, another use is in the instrumentality. Instrumentality, very big word. Don't go to that word. Just see the meaning. My mother cuts the vegetables with a knife. So here, instrument is knife. With what the vegetables are being cut? With a knife, na? So with is used to show an instrumentality. Okay? My mother cuts the vegetables with a knife. मेरी मदर वेजिटेबल्स को किससे कट करती है? With a knife. नाइफ से कट करती है. Another example. She eats noodles with chopsticks. She eats noodles with chopsticks. वो किससे noodles खाती है? Chopsticks से. So she eats noodles with chopsticks. When you are using some instrument, okay, it is, well, not exactly an instrument, but yeah, chopsticks. So with the chopsticks you are eating noodles. So with is showing that noodles are being eaten with this instrument. So chopstick से खा रहे हैं, मतलब साथ में chopstick भी है. Therefore, with is used. Okay. So she eats noodles with chopsticks. This is how we use with. Let's see some more examples related to this. रीना wrote the letter with a pen. किस इंस्ट्रूमेंट की हेल्प से रीना ने लेटर लिखा है? A pen. So with is used here. Okay. We cannot use any other preposition here. Okay. We cannot use in, on, under, beside. With will be used. Okay. So Reena wrote the letter with a pen. रीना wrote the letter with a pen. किससे लेटर लिखा है? पेन से. With a pen. Okay? So do remember the use of with. Okay? Then the next one is of. Where is of used? When you show possession or belonging. जब कोई भी चीज किसी और चीज को belong करती है या कोई भी चीज किसी और चीज की है. So that there is how possession. That is what we call possession. And in that place we use of. Let's see how. For example. This book is of mine. So this book is of mine. किसकी बुक है ये? मेरी बुक है. This book is of mine. Okay, possession. Book is mine, the possession is showing or the belonging is showing with this word of. What does this sentence means? That the book belongs to me, book meri hai. Right? So this book is of mine. Similarly, you can make sentences like this pen is of mine, this class is of mine, this house is of mine, and so many more sentences like this. Okay? Then she is a friend of mine. She is a फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. किसकी फ्रेंड है वो? मेरी फ्रेंड है वो. शी इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. ओके, so this is one use of to show the possession or belonging. Another use of is to show likings. Another use of is to show fondness or liking. Fondness, FONDNESS. Fondness मतलब किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करना. Fondness, like I am fond of teaching. That means I like teaching very much. Okay, so I am fond of. जहां पर भी अगर आप fond वर्ड देखते हैं उसके साथ of जरूर आता है. Fond of. Okay, I am fond of teaching. I am fond of teaching. Okay, I am fond of listening to music. I am fond of listening to music. किस चीज का fondness शो किया है? म्यूजिक सुनने का, है ना? That means this person or I likes to listen to music very much. So आपको भी जो भी चीजें पसंद है आप उसके इसी तरह से sentences बना सकते हैं. Like I am fond of riding a bicycle. I am fond of I'm fond of dancing. I'm fond of swimming. Okay, then I'm fond of cooking, or you can say my mother is fond of cooking. I'm fond of making drawings. I'm fond of painting. Okay, and so many more sentences like this you can make. So of is used to show fondness, likings. Fondness means likings. Fondness means likings. Okay, so I am fond of teaching. I am fond of listening to music. Of is the preposition that is used. See, these prepositions are having so many more uses, but you are in class 2. I cannot go much deeper because you will not understand anything. You will not understand deep things, but yeah, these things are something that you should know. Okay, now another preposition, between. Okay, the second last preposition of this chapter is between. So second last preposition is between. Between का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है बीच में. ओके, बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में, किसी भी चीज के बीच में. ऑलराइट, सो with between we can show position of something. We can also show distribution, that I will tell you slightly later. So first see the position. For example, Lucky is sitting between his parents, maybe in a photograph or something. So Lucky कहाँ बैठा है? दोनों parents on the sides and Lucky is sitting between. So Lucky is sitting between his parents. Lucky is sitting between his parents. Parents के बीच में बैठा है. Maybe in a photograph or maybe on a bench or something. Okay. Then another use of between is to show distribution. Okay, distribution means किसी भी चीज को किसी के बीच में बांटना. Okay, so distribution is shown by the word between. जैसे हाँ, but there is a condition that between is used only when two people are there. Okay, between is used only when two people are there or two things are there. So another use of between is to show the distribution. So mother distributed the sweets between Riya and Rohan. Okay. Sweets means mithaiyan. So what did the mother do? Mother distributed the sweets. Mother ने sweets बांट दी. किसके बीच में? Between Riya and Rohan. रिया और रोहन के बीच में बराबर उन्होंने स्वीट्स को बांट दिया, मिठाइयों को. Okay? We can also say mother distributed the work between Riya and Rohan. Mother distributed the chocolates between Riya and Rohan. Okay? Between is used to show the distribution of the distribution between two people only. Okay? जब दो से ज्यादा लोग होते हैं तब एक और preposition यूज होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं among. AMONG, among. But we don't have to go to this preposition. Okay? Otherwise this preposition will get even more typical for you. So don't go to that preposition. Just understand the use of between. Now the last preposition. The last preposition is to. To is used for movement. For movement. How? Like if you ask someone, where are you going? कहाँ जा रहे हो? So what will be the reply? For example, I would say I am going to the market. मैं market जा रहा हूँ. So to word is used whenever there is a movement. Okay? So for example, I am going to the market. I am going to the market. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? market, in the market, of the market, right? Between the market, no. You will go to the market. You go to school, okay? Go to your class. Teachers tell you ना, the PT teachers here tell you every time go to your class. कहाँ जाने के लिए कह रहे हैं? आपकी क्लास में जाने के लिए कह रहे हैं. Go to your class, okay? For movement, to is used. So sentences like this. Then another sentence. She is flying. Now don't laugh. I'll tell you the meaning of flying. She is flying to USA. What is USA? United States of America. Okay, she is flying to USA. अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि वो उड़ के जा रही है USA. No, she is going by an aeroplane. But the aeroplane flies. Okay, so she is flying to USA. तो हमें अगर नहीं मतलब हमें अगर नहीं यूज करना है वो वर्ड एरोप्लेन, we can simply say she is flying to USA. So to word is used whenever you are showing that you are going somewhere. जब आपको बताना है कि आप कहीं जा रहे हो, you can use the preposition to. She is flying to USA. She is flying to Singapore. She is flying to China. I guess nobody wants to fly to China. Well, and yeah, she is flying to Japan. She is flying to Manali. All right. That means all those people are going by an aeroplane. And to show the movement, you can use the preposition to. Okay. I guess you have learned a new word, flying. So cheers to that. Flying to USA. Then this is the small use of to. I guess I should now end the lecture because all the prepositions we have learned. Let's just list down what prepositions we have learned in this whole chapter. So in this chapter we have learned in, on, at, under, near, beside, between, to, of, and with. Okay. So in, on, at, under, near, beside, between, to, of and with. We have learned some around 10 prepositions. B. So I just want you all to don't get tensed कि ma'am is teaching so high level things. This is not high level. This is what you should be knowing in class 2. Otherwise there are hundreds of prepositions and hundreds of uses of those prepositions. We haven't gone deeper in this chapter. We have just learned the surface things. Okay, so don't think that these are all high level things. These are not. Maybe with the explanation portion you might have felt that these are high level things, but trust me, when I will give you worksheet, you will be able to do that. Okay. Well, in class 2 आपको prepositions को सिर्फ पहचानना आना चाहिए. किसी भी sentence में preposition कौन सा है, and the use of small prepositions. Okay. So this is what we need to learn in this chapter, and I'm winding up the lecture on this note. So study hard, take care of yourself. Bye bye.